are continuing our Giving Day Drive every Tuesday, highlighting charitable organizations around the Bay Area. And today we are highlighting Samaritan House based in San Mateo. Joining us today is CEO Bart Charlo. And Bart, I just have to say, I know Samaritan House does great work keeping people housed, fed, clothed, and I can just imagine that the need has skyrocketed during the pandemic.
Well, skyrocketed would be an understatement, Christina. The demand has grown so much, it's pretty frightening, but we've been able to ramp up to take care of it for now, so good on us.
Can you tell us just, what exactly the organization is looking to do to help people in the pandemic and how those challenges have kind of changed the operations?
Well, what we do, Christina, is we help the working poor who live in San Mateo County by giving them everything they need to survive and then thrive. So it's food, shelter, clothing, health care, financial empowerment services. We have programs in the schools and a day labor center, and we're just wrapping up our holiday programs. There's an awful lot that we do that's knit together with intensive case management to help people figure out what to do on their own with the help that we give them. So there's an awful lot. But the demand level is extraordinary. For example, we've had to add another 100,000 meals to our food services every single month since COVID began. I have as many requests in a single day for financial assistance to keep people housed as we used to get in an entire week. We've had to double our shelter capacity, and we're about to open a new one. In fact, we did today, because there's just so much need out there. And every day, there are more people lined up at the door. We, like every other business, have had to conform to all of the health codes for safety, and safety comes first. But that's a big expense, a lot of big changes for us.
I was going to ask, how do you handle bringing in more workers, more volunteers with COVID restrictions, just because the need is so great?
Well, we follow all of the CDC guidelines on that. People are screened. We're very cautious about it. If there's any reports of even an indirect exposure, we take action on it. We've done our social distancing and continue that every single day. Everybody's masked. As a matter of fact, they won't even let me near the place unless I've got on a mask and a face shield and everything else. Gloves, the whole bit. So we are tremendously cautious. We're a healthcare agency too, So we know how to do this.
All right. So then right now, what are the foundation's biggest needs?
The biggest needs we have, same as for all the nonprofits, are we need people to donate and to volunteer. That's our lifeblood. So I really encourage people to go directly to our website, SamaritanHouseSanMateo.org, and go straight to donating and volunteering, and you can be a part of making it happen.
Do you think that the pandemic is just going to change the way the operations work into 2021?
Oh, definitely. We're anticipating at least 6 to 9 more months of this kind of an operation, could easily be longer. And we know that after the eviction moratorium ends in January, the need is, you said skyrocket, we're on a moonshot now.
All right, Bart Charlo, Samaritan House CEO, thanks so much for joining us today. And you mentioned people can go to the website. We're also going to put up a graphic here so people can know how they can step in to help. If you'd like to donate to the nonprofit Samaritan House or any other charitable organization, you can log on to ktvu.com/giving day.